Hey you guys, what's good? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Gorilla Tag clone. Now, there is one easily thing you need to get done first. I just said easily, don't worry about it. But you want to go to the new Discord server, they'll be in the Discord. Let me try that again. They'll be in the link in the description. And this will be unprivated, you'll be able to see this, but it will be called Gorilla Tag Clone Tuts, T-U-T-S, and you'll see house tag. You want to click on this MediaFire link, you want to click download. Now, as we wait for it to download, I'll just pause the recording until it's actually downloaded, so I'll see you then. Alright guys, it's finished, and now we're gonna extract it wherever we downloaded it to. In my case, it's the downloads folder, which I already have it downloaded in. Here. So I'm just gonna drag it back out. I'm gonna delete the one in here, but move it to somewhere safe. And now extract the folder into the folder that you put it in. Now you have the template tag. Now the next thing you want to do is, you want to download DNSpy. There will be a link in the same category soon. And when you go to the releases, you want to click the respective version view, but ignore this one for now. Either 132 or 164. Once you've downloaded that, you want to open DNSpy, which in my case, DNSpy is in here. Wait for it to open. Took a while. It didn't take too long, but yeah. Now go to the template tag house folder, go to Gorilla Tag Data, manage, select all of these except for system and system.core. Now scroll all the way to the top, go to assembly-C#, open these up, go to Gorilla Networking, PlayFab Authenticator, and just open that up. Now as you see, there's going to be a couple of things here we're going to need to do. And all the links and everything you'll need will be in the Discord link in the link in the description. First thing you're going to want to do is head over to Photon. If you don't already have a Photon account, it's pretty easy to sign up. But if you do already have it signed up, which you can't actually see any of the IDs here, you want to create a new app. Now you want to have it as real time and set it as test tag. Click create. Now once you have made that, now you want to create another new app. Go to, this time click voice and then name it the same thing as you named your original app. Now once you've finished that, you now will have two respective servers. Now go back into DNSpy, right click on the awake method, edit method, and now you should have this edit dialog box. Now go to your dashboard. Now copy on the real time and paste it into these characters here in app ID real time. For the voice server, you're going to want to go do the same thing, but in this time it will be the voice server. Once you've done that, do not compile yet. Go back to your browser and type developer.playfab.com, which usually I do have here. Which it really did kind of play me. And once you create a PlayFab account, you will have My Game Studio on My Game. You won't actually see any of these, but you want to click New Title, Name your title probably the same as you named it before. Test tag. If you have a picture, you can upload it here. But click create title. Now, before you go wandering off, go to add-ons and go to Photon and click install Photon. Now it's going to ask you for your Photon real-time ID and your chat ID, but in our case we don't have a chat ID, we have a voice ID, so just paste your voice ID in there instead. Click install, and now what you want to do is you want to go back to this key and type in, click on setup Photon real time. This will gain you able to get the authentication servers working. Now just copy this, go into a new tab or something and copy these characters between us and add-ons and paste that here where it says PlayFab title ID. I'll give you a link to the documentation here to give you PlayFab Integration. Once you've done that, so copy that and go back to DNSpy where you'll see your ID, which you want to just type in your ID real quick in here, 2269F, and type it in here as well, 2269F, and now you can compile. Now you're finished with that, go to your PlayFab documentation, and it will tell you, go to the Photon dashboard, go to manage on your real-time server, and go scroll down to Authentication Custom Server, select this, and boom, you will have, click create, and you will have an authentication server for your normal server, but now we need to add it to the voice server as well, so it doesn't really lag out. So do the same thing you just did with the normal server. Once you've done that, you can now close out of these two, and you will now need to download some resources which will be available in the Discord server when finished. But the first thing you will need is a DLC, which I do have here, but we'll add this later on. But we need to go next to economy, go to currency, new currency, type in SR for the currency code, and for display name, shiny rocks. Your initial deposit will be the amount of shiny rocks you have at first when you first play the game. We'll make this 2,000. The recharge rate units per day is how much you want it every day. Set these to the same, in my case 200. Click save currency. Now go to catalogs, download the DLC from the DLC channel in the Gorilla Tag Clone TOTs category in my server. Click upload JSON, choose file, go to where you stored this file, upload, and now you should have DLC 217 items. And there we go. We can now do however we wish with these, but to actually get this to work, we now need to execute the game so we can have a player, as you see here. To do this, you want to open up DNSpy. Once you've compiled all these, you want to go to File, Save Module, OK. Once you've saved it, which I'm just going to double check I did, because I can be kind of dumb. Once you have, go back to where your template tag house is, and just simply run the game. as I'm correct. It did for some reason spawn me in the stump already, but you should be placed in tutorial. But here is my account, which for security reasons I'm gonna pause the video so I can show you how to ban them. Now to ban them, you want to go to the ban section on the user, click add ban, type in your reason. I have given out bans for inappropriate username. Type in the duration hours. Now if you want to do an IP address, you can do an IP address. You don't have to. If you want IP ban them, click this if you want to ban them permanently. And once you're done, click add ban, and it'll do its time. To give people items, you want to go to inventory legacy, click select item. Now if I want to give myself every cosmetic, I'm just going to do every, and you will have this massive list of cosmetics and grant item. Give it a couple seconds, as it can take a bit of time to get it working. And now you should have 242 items activated, which is quite nice. Now, disclaimer: if you're gonna try and use my servers by the end of this video, as soon as it gets published, all the servers will be down, including the PlayFab title. None of these will work, so don't even really try. If you want any more tutorials on how to do stuff like this, I'll leave a suggestion in the comments. I do like to read them. Have a good day. Have fun. Have a good life. Be nice to everyone you meet. And goodbye, buddies. Goodbye, ladies. Mwah.